Hello everyone, I hope that you are doing good. I'm going to start this YouTube channel trading cryptocurrencies. The way that I trade is only using price action, Fibonacci, and not a lot of indicators. I like using trend lines, horizontal lines better as different fancy indicators. This is only my opinion on the market, the way that I trade. I may be wrong. This is not financial advice. I don't like a lot of fluff, so let's go and do the first technical analysis. So, if we go to the Bitcoin, when I see a lot of people are saying that we are going to hit 80,000, after that we are going to 73,000. The way that they see this is if we lose the support, if they lose the support at 80,000, the next support being is at 73,000 right here at the next wick. I'm not saying that they are wrong. I can see the way that they are trading and how they are thinking, but before going there, we need to go to the lower time frames. If we go to the daily time frame, we can see that Bitcoin has a support right here. The support being at 84,000. But it has another resistance at 94,000. So it's playing in this range from 93,000 to 80,000. It can happen in two ways. If we break 80,000, the first thing is we're going to go to 80,000. 90% of the time the wicks get filled, but that doesn't mean if we go to 80,000 we are going to go straight to 73,000. The way that I'm trading it is different. I do think this is my personal opinion. I'm not saying that I'm 100% right, but I think that we are going to see a bullish market by the end of the year and in the start of the year. So 2026. If we go and take the Fibonacci from here to here, we can see that it has a support. It goes straight to the support that it had to 88,000. If Bitcoin manages to stay above 88,000, we are going to go straight to 93,000. I'm not going to take that trade, but anybody can take this trade. If we close above this one at the daily time frame, we can go and take the trade, but wait for the candle close. That's good. The trade that I'm going to take, if the market gives to us, is I'm going to wait that we break this resistance at 93,000, the resistance then being the support, and it's going to give us a nice long up to 100k. The first resistance being at 100k, the other one at 106. If we break this one, I do think that we are going to 106. That's my personal opinion. I may be wrong. If we go and break the support at 84,000, then I'm going to go short. If we go to Solana, for example, sorry, I'm going to remove that. At the 4-hour time frame, we can see that it has a range too. The range being the support right here at 123. It did happen to have a deviation. So normally I would take this short right here, but it didn't give us any confirmation to go short. As I said, sorry, if the support right here was going to be resistance, I was going to take this short. The Solana has a range too. It's if you are going to ask me between those two charts, Bitcoin is much more bullish than Solana itself. But if Solana does tend to break the 128 and wins this at support, it can give us a nice long to 132. If not, if it goes and it breaks 123, that I'm going to go short on Solana. But I do prefer taking trade on Bitcoin because it's much more clearer. If we go to Ethereum at daily time frame, we can easily see that it did form a support right here. It did manage to touch 1 time, 2 times, and 3 times. So if the Ethereum manages to break the resistance here and wins the price as support, see, like this, if it holds above this one, we can take an easy long upwards 3,200, 32k, the first take profit being 31k. So like this. Perfect. I'm buying some new coins as the market is being like this. I'm buying some markets. The first one being, it's a new coin. I mean, it's a coin that it's in Binance. On daily time frame, it's showing that it's forming a support right here. As long as this support holds, I'm buying it. The first take profit being at 30% or at like this. The first stop loss is if it loses, if it's going to lose the support, I'm going to cut the trade. Those are the coins that I'm mainly trying to trade. We can see each other in the next video. I hope that you like. I know it's not the perfect. Sometimes I can't describe the words that what I'm trying to say because it's first time being on the microphone, but I think that I'm going to get better with time. Thank you very much and see you in the next video.